Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your sender on your Reddit account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your sender on your Reddit account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Reddit application on the device. The home page of Reddit will be displayed on the screen. Click on View option at the bottom right corner of the page. You will end up on the profile section of your Reddit account. Tap on three lines at the top right corner of the page and from the pop-up click on Settings. Once you do that, click on Account Settings option. On the next page, scroll down and tap on Sender. Choose the sender to what you would like to change to, and once you're done, tap on Done option. This is how you can change your sender on your Reddit account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.